History is a blend of fact, interpretation, and imagination. The stories are inspired by historical accounts, myths, and cultural legacies. While we aim to bring history alive, we encourage you to explore, research, and question these narratives.
Amid the dense mists of ancient India, a dynasty emerged from the shadows of obscurity to carve its name into history. The Rashtrakutas, born in the rugged terrain of the Deccan, were destined to reshape the subcontinent's destiny. Rising from modest beginnings, they stood as symbols of resilience and ambition. Danti Durga, their first great leader, saw beyond the ordinary, igniting a flame of greatness that would engulf the land. With unmatched courage and strategic brilliance, the Rashtrakutas dethroned the Chalukyas, establishing their dominance. This wasn't merely the rise of a dynasty, it was the birth of a vision that united regions, transcended cultures, and laid the foundation for a golden era. The Rashtrakutas weren't just rulers, they were architects of India's medieval glory, their legacy written in the annals of time with strokes of valor and vision. Danti Durga and Krishna I, the architect kings. Great empires are not born, they are built brick by brick, dream by dream. Danti Durga, the founder king of the Rashtrakutas, laid the first cornerstone with unshakable determination. Emerging as a warrior of destiny, he shattered the might of the Chalukyas, forging a new order in the Deccan. But empires need visionaries to endure. Enter Krishna I, the architect of ambition. Under his reign, the Rashtrakutas reached new heights, with military conquests and architectural marvels becoming their hallmark. Together, these two kings transformed the fledgling dynasty into a dominant force. Their leadership wasn't just about conquest, it was about crafting a legacy of strength, unity, and cultural patronage. The dreams of Danti Durga and Krishna I reverberated through time, etching the Rashtrakutas into the eternal narrative of India's history. Molkt, the heart of an empire. Empires are more than their boundaries, they are their hearts, and for the Rashtrakutas, that heart was Molkt. Nestled in the Deccan's rugged embrace, Molkt became the epicenter of a thriving civilization. It wasn't just a capital, it was a symbol of Rashtrakuta ingenuity. Here, art, governance, and culture converged to create a beacon of progress. The city pulsed with activity, palaces echoed with statecraft, markets thrived with trade, and temples stood as testaments to devotion. Molkt was the nucleus of their vast empire, connecting regions, ideas, and ambitions. From this bustling capital, the Rashtrakutas orchestrated their vision of unity and cultural renaissance. Though the city has faded into ruins, its essence remains alive in the echoes of history, a reminder that great civilizations are built on the dreams of visionary leaders. Conquests and rivalries, the southern expansion and beyond. In the annals of conquest, the Rashtrakutas were legends. Their banners flew over the verdant south, reaching deep into Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Theirs was a tale of ambition, not merely for land but for legacy. Southern kingdoms like the Palwas and the Gangas felt the thunder of Rashtrakuta armies, while alliances brought regions together under a shared vision. But their gaze wasn't confined to the south, they cast their eyes northward, competing with mighty powers like the Palas and Pratiharas. These rivalries were more than battles, they were struggles for supremacy over the subcontinent's heart. Through every victory and challenge, the Rashtrakutas showcased unparalleled resilience and strategy. Their southern expansion and rivalries were not just territorial, they were a testament to their determination to leave an indelible mark on the tapestry of India's history. The Rashtrakutas and the tripartite struggle. Across the plains of northern India, a fierce contest unfolded, a tripartite struggle for the throne of Kannauj. At its center stood the Rashtrakutas, warriors of ambition, locking horns with the Palas of Bengal and the Pratiharas of the north. This wasn't merely a battle for a city, it was a battle for India's soul. Each kingdom sought the prestige and strategic advantage that came with ruling Connaught, but it was the Rashtrakutas who brought unmatched courage to the fight. Their victories in the north showcased their military genius and established them as a pan-Indian force. Yet, this struggle wasn't just about power, it was about vision, proving the Rashtrakutas were more than regional players. In the tripartite struggle, they solidified their place in history, standing as champions of ambition in an era of unyielding competition. Govinda III and Amogvarsh I, triumphs of leadership. Leadership defines empires, and for the Rashtrakutas, Govinda III and Amogvarsh I were the epitome of greatness. Govinda III, a warrior king, carved victories across distant lands, securing the empire's place as a formidable power. His military campaigns resonated with glory, but it was Amogvarsh I who transformed the empire into a beacon of cultural and intellectual brilliance. Amogvarsh wasn't just a ruler, he was a scholar, a poet, and a visionary. Under his reign, peace flourished, art and literature thrived, and the empire reached its zenith of prosperity. Together, these rulers showcased two sides of leadership, one of valor and the other of intellect. Their combined legacies cemented the Rashtrakutas as architects of a golden era, proving that the might of an empire lies not only in its sword but also in its wisdom. Ellora and beyond, art, architecture, and literature. The Rashtrakutas were not merely warriors, they were dreamers who sculpted their aspirations into the fabric of India. Nowhere is this more evident than at Ellora, where the magnificent Kailas temple stands, a marvel of engineering and devotion carved from a single rock. But their contributions didn't end there. From intricate sculptures to literary masterpieces, the Rashtrakutas fostered a renaissance of creativity. Temples across their realm echoed with artistry, each telling stories of faith and grandeur. Literary patrons as well, they nurtured poets and scholars who enriched India's intellectual heritage. Ellora's splendor is just one chapter in their enduring legacy of art and culture. Through every chisel mark and poetic verse, the Rashtrakutas immortalized their love for beauty and knowledge, leaving behind treasures that continue to inspire wonder and admiration. Cultural Renaissance, contributions to Kannada and Sanskrit. Few empires have left as profound a mark on language and culture as the Rashtrakutas. Under their patronage, Kannada and Sanskrit flourished like never before. Amogvarsh I, himself a poet, authored the Kavirjamarga, the first known literary work in Kannada, establishing it as a language of expression and sophistication. Meanwhile, Sanskrit thrived in their courts, producing texts of philosophy, science, and religion that echoed far beyond their time. The Rashtrakutas weren't just rulers, they were visionaries who believed in the power of words to shape civilizations. Their contributions sparked a cultural renaissance, bridging tradition and innovation. By nurturing these languages, the Rashtrakutas carved a lasting legacy in the intellectual and artistic heritage of India, proving that the true wealth of an empire lies in its ideas and their ability to transcend time. Decline and legacy, lessons from the Rashtrakutas. All great empires must face their twilight, and for the Rashtrakutas, decline came with internal strife and external challenges. Weakened by feuds and unable to withstand new forces like the Western Chalukyas, their reign began to falter. Yet, their fall was not the end, it was a transformation. The lessons of the Rashtrakutas lie in their achievements and resilience. They unified diverse regions, fostered unparalleled cultural growth, and built an enduring architectural legacy. Their decline reminds us of the fragility of power but also the permanence of vision. The Rashtrakuta story is not one of despair, but of inspiration, a testament to the heights humanity can reach when art, intellect, and ambition converge. Even in decline, they remain a symbol of greatness, their legacy woven into the very fabric of India's history. Remembering the Rashtrakutas, an eternal legacy. The Rashtrakutas may have vanished from the political map, but their spirit endures. From the majestic Kailas temple to literary milestones like the Kavirjamarga, their contributions resonate through time. They weren't merely rulers, they were dreamers who envisioned a united and culturally rich India. Their influence extends beyond history books, shaping modern scholarship, art, and identity. Remembering the Rashtrakutas today is not just an act of nostalgia, it's a celebration of resilience, innovation, and leadership. They remind us that true greatness isn't measured by the duration of an empire but by the impact it leaves on humanity. The Rashtrakutas are eternal, their story a shining beacon that continues to inspire generations. In the ruins of their past, we find the building blocks of our cultural and intellectual heritage, proving their legacy is timeless.